what's up guys? Stephen Alvey here. Just wanted to share some words and some thoughts on David's new product that he's launching, Covert Affiliate Profits, which is coming out with private label rights today. You know how I love PLR launches, they're fantastic. This is not your ordinary one though. This one's actually pretty special. I've been speaking to David for a while now, and I had a chance to read through the ebook, and it's absolutely incredible. It's not your typical PLR. It's something that you can tell he poured a whole lot of time and experience into, and a whole lot of his heart into. There's fantastic information in there. I mean, from beginning to the ideation of starting an online affiliate business or a business in the internet marketing niche, all the way through to launching a product, making sales, and so on and so forth. The real heart of it, the real meat and potatoes, in my opinion, is a couple sections towards the middle about making solutions, not sales pages, and matching your product ideas to solutions, or rather to problems that you can solve. It's really just golden information. It's a fantastic product, both for you to learn from, but also it's private label rights, so it's an awesome product for you to offer to other people as well. And when I said earlier that it's not typical in the form of PLR, is because typically with PLR, you have a product that was created for the purpose of being PLR. That was the initial idea in mind. And it's usually relatively simple, right? Which is fine. Usually PLR is used as a lead magnet, right? And so it's okay for it to be relatively short, sweet, simple, and a basic level. And again, it was created with the purpose of being PLR. Well, that's not the case with this one. This one, you can tell David put his experience and his heart and his soul into creating this product. It's jam-packed. It's big. I mean, it is a massive product, which is also unusual for PLR. And again, it was not created for the purpose of becoming PLR one day, and you can tell that by reading it. So it's one of those PLR assets that you can acquire that is at a significantly higher caliber than most of the PLR out there, and that means a lot coming from me, because I'm a big PLR guy in the industry, right? So hopefully you guys will take advantage of this, pick up this awesome deal that David's got going on today, and I'm very excited to see what he comes out with next. All right, thanks guys.